Footy was something I realised that I could be good at and sort of probably could take it a bit further. I obviously do want to see how far I can take it. I think success to me looks like setting myself up for my future and then getting myself to like a good spot to be able to like give back. The stuff that Lulu's done, it actually has made me think about like what I could actually do if I got myself to like a pretty good spot with the AFL, coming back out to community and stuff like that. Showing that you can like do something with your life, even coming from somewhere small. Everyone's just sort of looking out for each other and wanting everyone to do good and show all the younger girls that they can do what the AFLW girls are doing, or like what some of us pigtail girls are doing. Dreams has just given me a lot of opportunities and just helped me out a lot with everyday life stuff and gym and training overall and just being a bit more disciplined. Through the program with Pigtails and Doreena, I've got the opportunity to go to Sydney and train with them in May. One of my goals is to make AFLW, and going to Sydney Swans and getting to train with them just at an elite level. I think I'll just obviously learn a lot, but realise that I actually can make it.